again. So in the last step, we basically prepared Unreal Game Sync to work with. So now we can actually work with it. But as you can see right now, after syncing to the latest change list that I have here, since I selected also the build option here, the after syncing build option, so now it's building everything, building the engine itself. And yeah, this is going to take a while. And eventually, this is one of the major roadblocks that you have on having like very fast iteration speeds. And there is one thing that actually you can use to avoid this, especially for people that doesn't need to build the engine, like that are not developers, they're just like content creators. You can select this sync precompiled binaries option, and then it just works like the Epic Games Launcher. But so you need to basically prepare this using the build graph system from Unreal Engine that comes with the engine itself. And this is what we're going to do in this step. But yeah, first I need to wait for this build to complete, and it's going to take a while, so I'll see you soon. Okay, so we are done. We successfully built the engine using Unreal Game Sync. Now the only thing that you need to do is basically right click and just select launch editor, and Unreal Engine should be up and running. Yeah. And normally, depending on what you choose or what you set as the project when you were creating this this window that you see here on Unreal Game Sync, it's either going to directly open your project, or as you can see, it's just gonna display you the Unreal Project browser. And this is actually right now showing the project browser because we have no project, so we chose the project directories element that you have on the top level of the engine. And yeah, so from now on you can just use this as a normal editor that you have in the Epic Games Launcher. And just to show you, basically, like, this is the test project that I just created before starting this recording. And yeah, it's basically just all the same. Nothing is going to be different for you after this process. So, cheers. Next, so this one is right now not using the compiled binaries, so we are going to create this in the next step. So hopefully see you there.